Rubbermaid Commercial Products introduces a revolutionary new technology to air care, the Microburst 3000, powered by the LumeCel rechargeable energy system. This video will show you how to install, program, and maintain your Microburst 3000 dispenser. Open the dispenser by inserting the key into the lock tab on the right side of the dispenser. Pull the cover forward while applying slight pressure to the LCD screen. If you would prefer the use of the push button, you can replace the lock button by pinching the bottom tab of lock button and pulling it out of the slot. Then insert the new push button. For optimum performance, position the dispenser at a minimum height of 7 feet in a lighted area with a lux level of 300 or more. To mount using the pre-applied adhesive, first, clean the area with the provided alcohol wipe. Peel off the adhesive liner and press the unit firmly in place for 10 seconds. Open the dispenser and put the rechargeable energy cell into place. Connect the wires, insert the refill, and close the cover. To screw mount, open the dispenser and mark screw holes using a pencil. Drill holes using a 1/4 inch bit for anchors or a 1/8 inch bit for screws. If you choose to use anchors, insert the anchors before moving forward. Insert the top screw and hang the dispenser. Secure the dispenser with the bottom screw and connect the wires to the energy cell. To finish installation, insert the refill and close the cover. To retrofit a standard Microburst 3000 dispenser with a LumeCel cover, open the dispenser and remove the C-cell batteries. Pull out on the bottom of both sides of the cover to release hinge pegs. Snap the hinge pegs of the retrofit cover into place on the bottom of the dispenser. Insert the rechargeable energy cell, connect the wires, and close the cover. Now that you've installed the dispenser, turn it on by pressing the on-off button until the display appears in the LCD panel. Program the device by pressing Mode to scroll through each setting. Use Adjust to cycle through the options within each mode and the 30, 60, and 90-day options, and press Enter when satisfied with each setting. First, set the days to refill. Select 30, 60, or 90 days. Next, set the current time by pressing Mode again, and then press Adjust to cycle through to the desired time. Hold the button down to speed through the time settings, or press it repeatedly to go slow through the settings. Press Enter to select your desired option. Without pressing the Mode button again, you will be automatically prompted to set the hours of operation, either 8, 12, 16, or 24 hours. For intervals of 8, 12, or 16, select the start time for each day by pressing Adjust to cycle through the available start times. Press Enter to select your desired option. To complete programming, set the days of operation. Press Mode, then Enter to access the days of the week. A spray icon will appear on the screen when ready for adjustment. Press Enter to select a day of the week, then press Adjust to turn each day on or off, and press Enter again to lock in your selection. When all the days have been programmed, you'll be directed to the home screen, displaying the number of days before a new refill is needed. Turn the audible tone on or off using the tone button. The bell icon will appear in the LCD display if sounds are enabled. To test the spray, press the on-off button and enter at the same time. For more information, visit www.rubbermaidcommercial.com.